Good Monday morning. It is June 30th, 2025. It's going to be a steamy day with good chance of showers, thunderstorms, especially this afternoon and evening. There is a chance that some will be locally severe. We'll have to watch and could contain quite a bit of rain. Hot highs up in the low 90s. Tomorrow is kind of a repeat, but highs only in the upper 80s versus low 90s. Still really humid. Good chance of showers and thunderstorms. We have a slight risk for severe weather. This will be the front that's going to move through and knock the humidity down for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All three of those days are looking nice and sunny, lower humidity. By Friday even, we get like a dip all the way down in the mid-80s. That's going to be a perfect day for the Independence Day. Just don't forget your sunscreen out there. It tends to be easy to forget when it gets feeling a little better, a little less humid. We warm right back up on Saturday, Sunday, back up around 90 and in the low 90s by Sunday. So really enjoy this dry and, less humidity period that we're going to get through. All right, so here we'll watch the forecast maps. Nothing of a surprise here. As we get moisture around with showers and thunderstorms possible this afternoon. A better chance here we are tomorrow. This is the bigger line. It's forecast to come through. And this could be something to watch. Once it does pass, showers move out and we dry up for several days. This is looking good. This is all the way to Friday. Now we're on the 4th of July. We are watching the Gulf here. For a lot of rain, at least, nothing more do that. But you can see this strong return flow here and a big heat wave happening here in the middle of the country. We just happen to be on the edge of it. But that warmth is going to come our way, as well as the moisture from the south here. So it's going to get humid next week. Feel really kind of summery, miserably summer. We'll see if anything develops down here in the Gulf. This is becoming a little more of something to watch. And then maybe late next week, we could see another front come through and again knock our humidity down. But also may cause us some showers and storms. And that is actually into the weekend and, of course, into Monday. So, yep, this is kind of showing us that progression. So here we are. Yeah, we should go back here. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's getting warmer. Saturday, Sunday, all days, all that, dry. It's not until Sunday, Monday, maybe we start to get to the chance of some showers and storms again. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe some showers and storms. But this is another high to the north. Maybe some low pressure. I don't know if this will form along this, but this could be cooling us back down here to normal temperatures at least. And then it looks a little to get unsettled again as we get near fronts and more rain and long range. So what does it look like temperature-wise actually? As I was talking about that. If we go through, you can see it's still hot today and tomorrow. So highs, 10, 15 degrees above normal. But as the clouds come in, knocking those temperatures back. So look at this, nice on Wednesday, right around normal, a little bit below, a little bit above, kind of hard to say. But Thursday, below normal. Friday, below normal. And the humidity, if I could show you, is really good. Until we get into Saturday. Saturday temperatures pop right back up there. 10 degrees above normal during the day, and so up to maybe 6, 7, 8 degrees above normal. Really hot Saturday, Sunday. Then look, Monday, Tuesday, here we go with another cooler shot. I don't know if this is true. We'll have to see early next week. That probably depends on the amount of clouds. But it doesn't look too bad as we head into early next week. Maybe some shots of warmer air overall. So that is the forecast. Let's look at what the Climate Prediction Center is showing in the long range. Here we are in the 6 to 10 day period. So again, showing that above the normal. Temperature's pretty set in there, as well as the 8 to 14 above normal. Precip wise, pretty much near normal, and then we'll go above normal or slightly above normal in the long range. How much rain are we expecting this week? The forecast is showing as we go local. The total rain will be around an inch to maybe as much as 2 inches. Depends on how much of this convection, this thunderstorms happen today and tomorrow. If you get a thunderstorm to park over top of you, you can get quite a bit of rain. And then the last thing we'll look at here in the forecast realm is the severe weather threat. And we'll go zonal here, regional. So here we've got today, marginal risk tomorrow is a slight risk. And if we look at what is the risk for tomorrow, winds are going to be the primary threat. There's really no tornado or hail threat tomorrow. Just winds as the potential severe threat. which is like 55-mile-per-hour winds or higher in the severe weather. That is it. That's the Loudoun County Weather Outlook for Monday, June 30th. Have an awesome day.